Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today I'm going to show you in a real live ad account how I spotted the problem and how I fixed it. Even on good ad accounts there are always problems, and the whole point is to be able to spot where is the problem. If you spot where is the problem, then you have better chances of fixing it. Let's go into my ad account, let's see this ad account and where the problem was and how it was fixed, or we think that it's fixed, we will never know, and I will see you there. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. So I wake up one day and I see this last 7 days on this account. This is another account that operates with 2 rows. It's a good ad account and it's a stable ad account. Okay, and if you don't believe me, let's go in this month, for example. Let's see 2.33. Let's see another period here randomly. Okay, 2.02. Let's see another random period here. 1.97. You can see it's pretty stable. Okay, so let's go on June again. I think it was here from here on the 11th or the 12th. I have seen it, something like this. Okay, so 1.67. So I started digging around, okay, and I started to think why, because from a new ad account you expect this kind of behavior, but going to 1.67 for another account that's stable for 6-7 months to 2 rows, and you try to scale it while maintaining 2 rows. I haven't scaled also too much on this period, so I was trying to find what was it. After analyzing all of the numbers, I found that this was the problem, the AOV, 65.94. Guess what? It's a clothing store, and they stopped selling hoodies for the summer. They sell only t-shirts, so the AOV of the order did actually drop. So if we see, for example, the previous months, how did I spot it? I spotted by doing this. I checked here, for example, 77. What's the ROAS here? 1.87. Okay, so let's go on this one. 74. What's the ROAS? 1.98. Okay, so the difference with the AOV over here, as you can see, it's really big. Okay, it's on 65. I have never seen an AOV of 65. If we go on April, for example, what kind of thing? 84. As we go closer to the winter, for example, we're going to see higher AOV. And this is when I realized, and I talked with the owner, and we realized 2 things, okay? So think of it. How can we fix it if they don't buy hoodies? By just having more volume is one question, which means that we're going to lower the cost per purchase. So the cost per purchase is on 35 over here with this AOV. If we go on the period which we had the problem, we're going to see that the cost per purchase most likely increased to 39.53. Okay, so higher cost per purchase, and we're having also less AOV. How can we fix it? With a promo, of course. 4th of July is coming over here, and we're running ads here. Today we're on the 9th. If we check the last 7 days, we're having 3 rows over here. The cost per purchase dropped to 22, and the AOV, it's still on 68, but guess what? 68 AOV. Here we have 65, 66, close to 66, but we have better ROAS because we increase the volume. In other words, we decrease the cost per purchase. 2 or 3 things to learn from this thing. First of all, if you're having a problem, start analyzing the different things and just try to see how you can fix it. So the AOV cannot fix. Of course, we tried things like we tried to do pictures of women wearing hoodies on the beach so that we can pass the message, but that maybe at the night it was also dawn, and maybe at the night it's going to be cold, and maybe they will need to buy a hoodie so that they're not going to be cold at the night instead of wearing a t-shirt. It didn't work so well, okay? So you're trying to solve it with marketing to make them buy more. Secondly, if you cannot solve it, what are you going to do? Be negative. Of course, the t-shirts have different profit margins, so maybe 1.67 it is profitable, but we don't want to maintain that. We want to always be on 2 ROAS. So what are you going to do? You're going to find a way of actually selling more. Okay, so what's the possible way? Maybe during summer we need to run more aggressive promos comparing to the winter, that we're having better AOV. So these are the learning from this ad account. We have done the 4th of July promo, it worked pretty well. We saved the ad account, in other words, because if we check over here, we're going to see that on June, for example, the ROAS is 1.92, which is pretty fine. It's saved, and so far the ROAS is inflated anyway. Cool, it's 2.75. Now, the whole point about this is this. Don't see it as an inflation which has no point, because I'm not running any retargeting ads on my ad accounts. I'm running maybe a very small, if I'm spending 5K per day, for example, I'm running only 100, it doesn't matter. So all of the campaigns that got inflated because of the promo, there are campaigns that are cold traffic campaigns, which means that they got data, which means that they're going to work really well. I have done other similar videos in the past with this kind of strategy when the account has bad ROAS and how you can fix it with a promo. Of course, that goes for brands that they have email marketing, SMS marketing, that a lot of data are going to flood in also from other built-it revenues. But for sure, it's a way for you to save the ad account. So instead of scaling down because Q4 is coming, we're going to maintain our budget and we're going to save our campaigns. So we don't lose campaigns that we are going to be able to scale during Q4. We're not going to lose our budget so that we will have to replenish more budget before the Q4 and the Black Friday. And we're going to be able to scale even a little bit more with some new creatives and testing ideas that we're going to have. But for sure, we're saving the ad account. That's all I have for you. I will see you for the closing of the video. So the ad account now is doing pretty well, and everyone's happy. And of course, we were able to spot immediately the problem and actually fix it. Don't forget, guys, that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check also my course, where I'm having everything inside on how to spot also on your own these kind of things. Even for new pixels and new ad accounts, we're analyzing more how you can interpret the CPM, conversion rates, or even the AOV. And we have inside theory, we have inside super advanced methods like the crazy method and CBO optimization, chosen 5 sessions. Of course, my mentorship programs, you can also join them. You can see below all the people that they have completed them, what they have to say about the experience, and if they liked it or not. You can check also the reviews from the course, and you can check the people that they have completed it, what they have to say. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.